Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to office.com.pk. Dear students, this is your chemistry class and today we are going to start a new topic, that is alkenes. And the first topic or the first subtopic that we are going to discuss is the nomenclature of alkenes. So the IUPAC has given certain rules for naming alkenes that are similar in many respects to those for naming the alkanes. So the first rule is that you will select the longest continuous chain, just like in case of alkanes, that will contain the carbon to carbon double bond as the parent chain, and change the ending name of the alkane with ENE. Like for example, we will see the longest chain having carbon carbon double bond as the parent chain. For example, here we have a compound so the counting will start from the end that is nearer to the double bond. So this end is nearer, this is 1 2, the second carbon will have the double bond, and if we start from here it will be 1 2 3 4, the fourth will have, and this chain will not be included. And if we start from here it will be 1 2 3 4, so this is nearest to the double bond, so we will count it from here. So this is a 6 carbon, this is the longest chain which will contain the carbon carbon double bond as the parent chain. Now obviously the name is going to be somewhat related to hexa. Okay, so it will have a 3 carbon functional group, the propyl group, so it will be 3 propyl and 2, as the double bond is starting from carbon number 2, it will be 2 hexene. Now the second rule is that we will number the chain so that it will include both the carbon atoms that are involved in the double bond, and the numbering will begin from the end that is nearer to the double bond. Here we have an example. So you will start numbering from here. Six. It will be 5 methyl, 2 hexene. So it will be 5 methyl 2 hexene. The third rule is that designate the location of double bond by using the number of the first atom of the double bond as the prefix. Means you will indicate the location of double bond by starting the numbering like this. I'll start from here. So as the double bond started from carbon number 1, it will be 1 butene. Similarly, if the double bond will be here, it will be 2 butene. In the same way, if it will be here, again it will be 2 butene, because we will start counting from here. Now the fourth rule is that you will indicate the location of the substituent groups or the functional groups by the number of carbon atoms to which they are attached. For example, we have now you will start counting from here 1 2 3 4. Now first of all, let's name the chain. It will be 2-butene, and the functional group is attached at point number 2 or carbon number 2. It will be 2-methyl 2-butene. For example, if in case there are multiple functional groups, how will you name them? I have an example here. Now first of all, you will locate the longest chain. It will be a hexene, and since the double bond is starting at carbon number 2, it will be 2-hexene. Now let us locate the functional groups. The functional group 1 is at 2, the other one is at 5, and the third one is also at carbon number 5. So it will be 2,5,5 trimethyl 2-hexene. Now the fifth rule is that if the parent chain contains more than one double bonds, then they are alkadienes for 2, triene for 3, and so on. For example, for multiple double bonds, like for example, here we have so you will start counting from here. It will be 1,3-buta. Since there are 2 double bonds, so it will be diene. If there are 3 double bonds, it will become triene, and so on. So this is all about the nomenclature of alkenes. In the next video, we will be talking about the preparation of alkenes. Till then, take care of yourself, keep studying, and keep watching office.com. Allah Hafiz.